If you have been watching Forex videos, but you still can't trade confidently, this is probably why. You've seen the strategies, the indicators, even trade signals, but no one taught you how to think like a trader. Real trading skill is built through structure, mentorship, and guided practice, not viral clips. That is why we built the Forexversity, a structured trading education program designed to take you from confusion to clarity. Inside the Forexversity, you don't just learn what to trade, you learn the why, when, and how to manage trading risk the right way. This is not a signal group. It is not a get-rich-quick system, but a real trading education taught step by step. If you're serious about learning how to trade Forex the right way and attaining consistency, then the Forexversity program was built just for you. Click the link to learn more and start your training right away.